Daniel Johnson's Monkey and Sloth in Roatan. Definitely worth coming here.
Hi baby, you want to come over and see me? Come on, come see me. Okay, I'll give you.
You're wearing a monkey suit.
Did you find anything good in there? Oh, you want to go to him?
Like we
Checking my pockets.
He did. He checked your pocket.
now you're breathing.
I
got a head full of monkeys.
Oh, you got a kiss. You can't have it.
One on her head. They have ADHD. Whoa! That was a good one.
This one can't decide.
Ben's getting up closer. Oh, up close and personal. Come here, monkey. Hey, blue monkey. Hi, come over here. Come on. Come see Uncle John.
I gotta do it.
You want to come down? Jump. Hi, Tweet. Oh, you got a little bit of a swiping his rear end in your hair. That's a good girl. That's a good puppy. Don't touch the monkeys. They will come and see you. Look at your little monkey feet. Look at your little monkey feet.
Up close and personal.
Hey, bud. You want to look at the phone?
Gonna groom me.
Do you want a selfie? Do you want a selfie? Look.
Oh, look. Wow. Just 1 point. I spent like a week just going around collecting new weapons.
Sneaking.
Getting like battle swords and all that.
You want this? There you go.
Oh my golly.
That one just came around and dropped from
Sheesh.
you and then went on to Dad. Look at the one playing with that.
Hey, don't slide the car.
The GoPro.
Oh, it's on the edge.
They have a tendency to bite the styrofoam.
Oh, be careful.
Yeah. They can break it, like the styrofoam, they can rip it out, so.
Be careful.
That right, bro?
Hi, chickens. Looking for snacks?
Oh, come on, look, it's Velcro. Checking for stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're going to see the macaws. We're going to see the macaws now.
I mean.
All right. Look how beautiful they are.
So I would recommend not raising your hands. I'll do it. I'll place them on your person and then you guys can take photographs with them. Alright, come here ma'am, you're gonna be the guinea pig.
Okay. What am I doing?
Just raising your arms. Let him have the phone. Let him have the phone. Alright. And I'm gonna give
Well, good morning. Hello. Hi.
You lost part of your snack.
Hi. Just don't creep on me.
The gentlemen are gonna let you in. Get it?
You like those sunflowers? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So you got Johnny Depp, Fruit Loops, and Ross.
Fruit Loop.
And what's
Ah,
Ross from Friends, Ross and Rachel. And Fruit Loops and Skittles, and then Johnny Depp.
Skittles.
These are hybrid macaws.
Taste the
They're
rainbow.
a combination of a red and a green. We have the father and we have the mother in a different enclosure because these guys here, raise your arm, sir.
Oh, damn.
These guys here
We're
tend
getting
to,
shelled. Macaw this year. It's all the rage. Oh, wrong end of the macaw. Hold on. Whoa, 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 whoa. There it is. Okay.
Your head's like a little.
Yeah, I could put a fourth one, but this one doesn't really get along with that one. He gets along a lot better with this one.
Now what's with the great fuzz?
Mold. Photos we tend to exit.
Except they're hanging on the door.
She's not gonna do anything. She's gonna hang out right there.
See him? See his face right there. That's a big lizard.
Daniel Johnson's hangout with the sloths and monkeys and macaws. It's a great experience. This is a rescue operation.